Hello, I'm gonna write in here. We are doing a clay face mask. Send. Yep. All right. How do I make this? I don't know how to do this still. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I was getting ready. Amber's not quite ready. She wants to make a smoothie real quick, which I think is kind of insane, but it's fine. It's all fine.
It's on your schedule, I guess, huh?
Well, this is kind of what has been scheduled forever.
From you.
You agreed to it. This is fun, you guys. Okay, let me lower you down just a bit. That's fine. I'll lower you down. So welcome to Sunday at the house. It's kind of chaotic. All right. Are we there? Is that good? It's crooked. All right. Hey guys, my name is Shayla and I make videos every Wednesday on YouTube, but now I started doing what day is it? Sunday? It's crooked. It's fine. Sundays with Amber. We have coffee and we do things. So today Seth's in the back making some food. The baby's over here. We're gonna do, so we did an armpit detox last time. Did you notice the difference?
They felt softer.
Softer armpits. I felt like I didn't stink anymore because sometimes when I slept, I would wake up and my armpits would be a little bit stinky, but no longer. Legitimately, if you're going to switch to natural deodorant, please do that detox because it made a huge difference. So I thought I would show you how we did it, how we put it together because we didn't show that last time. And then we're going to do it on our face because I'm breaking out.
Yeah, me too.
I don't know why. Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
For me, I am. Okay, so we do 1 tablespoon, but this is just a half of a tablespoon, so I'm gonna do.
Okay, that was like 3 with how much you had heaping.
I don't need that right now. 1 tablespoon of this, and I'll put the links in the thing below. Just what I want to hear about on Sunday morning. Stinky armpits. Okay.
No, they're not stinky anymore.
Yeah, they're no longer stinky. But this is what we do. So we did the clay, and then we just do a tablespoon of that. Look at that. That is some real live mothers. Do you see that?
It's supposed to be like that, supposedly.
It is supposed to be like that. And then it doesn't really, we need a spoon. It doesn't really do anything. It kind of looks like that. It's still kind of clumpy. So then you just have to add water to make it to the consistency you want. Yeah. So last time, oh wow, thanks, Seth. Green smoothie, peeps. Seth, what's in your green smoothie?
What?
What's in here?
There is cucumber.
Yeah? Come over here.
Vegan protein.
Oh, okay.
I think it's a pea protein.
Okay.
There is cashew milk. I don't know how they get it, but they get it.
Okay.
Banana.
Uh-huh. Pineapple?
And pineapple and flaxseed oil.
Blueberries?
No, I forgot to put blueberries on.
It's fine. This looks really watery, doesn't it? This looks too watery for face masks. So, Amber's like getting really happy to be here today. Why are you so grumpy?
Because I've had a sick child for 2 days and you're pressuring me to do this at 10 a.m. when I wasn't ready.
I did not. Okay, yeah, at 10 a.m., but it's fine.
I'll come around. I just need my coffee to kick in.
Oh my gosh.
I
feel
think that's
so uncomfortable.
plenty.
I just got so hot.
That's plenty.
Yeah,
baby.
Bennett has been pretty sick.
Okay, I just said that was enough. Oh my god.
Baby.
Hi.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Here you go. Let's go play.
Come here.
There's
See
still
what
clumps. Are you fine about the clumps? You seemed like it wasn't okay last time.
Well, yeah, I guess you want a clump on your face.
All right, I'll start. Should we just do it with a spoon? We used Bennett's spoon last time on our armpits, and somebody called us out on it, and I was like, they just asked if we use Bennett's spoon on the armpits, and she's like, tell them we threw it away afterwards, which isn't true. We just sanitized it in the wash. Is that disgusting? I feel like it's fine.
It's
I feel
fine.
like the dishwasher is fine.
Is it okay?
Fine?
Is it okay,
Is
Bennett?
it fine?
You have to say, is it okay?
Okay. Is it okay? Here. He's not a girl. He doesn't know fine yet.
No, he says it's fine. That's all he says.
Okay, here we go. Oh, okay.
That's how you're gonna do this?
How would you do it? I don't know.
I don't know. a brush or something.
Do you have a brush?
Your fingers, maybe?
I don't.
The spoon seems weird, and you're dripping it all over my table, which is putting me in a better mood than I am already. Ah! You guys, live with your family. It's amazing. It's really not that bad. I'm just grumpy.
She's so grumpy.
Okay.
This is probably the funnest video I've done with you so far.
Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Yes, baby.
Okay, great. Seth, what are you doing back there?
I'm probably having a really good time. Are you making me a smoothie? Oh my god. My morning got better.
I'm so hot right now. I think it's because you're making me feel so uncomfortable.
Maybe it's because you're masking everything in with clay. Also, like, now I have to use this after you've spooned and re-spooned your face.
Well, we can make you a new mix.
Okay.
I'm not.
What about my table?
You guys, how would you put this on your face? I'm not an esthetician. I don't have one of those nice brushes.
What's this?
What is this, right?
This.
It's a clay. Shayla! Oh my god. It's like you're thinking, what can I do to piss Amber off? And then you're doing it. And then Seth is your old man, so he's coming in to help.
What? It's okay. It's just clay.
Touch it.
Okay, if you have a child, which I don't, but I've got Bennett. Does your kid like hate being dirty? Bennett hates being dirty. He'll eat like his pretzels and he'll just sit like this. And you're like, oh, do not want that on your thing.
You got one of those like weird cold
Clumps?
nose strips. You know when it's
Ew.
really cold and like someone has that like.
Is this it? Am I done? I kind of want to do it on my neck. My mom always.
You have the nose drip again.
Okay, well I can't help that.
What is TT doing?
Okay, my mom always said that when you get older, your neck will get wrinkly. So you have to treat your neck like you treat your face. Anybody who knows anything about skin, tell me
Okay,
that's
now
true.
It's dripping everywhere.
To the
you guys.
youngster, think of it like Play-Doh. See? You guys, please comment so that I know how you do this. Yes, my daughter hated being dirty. See, I think if you always, because Amber's always like, let me wipe up. So then he learned like, oh, I don't want to be dirty like that.
I think you might change while you're living with us.
Why?
Rub it in now with your hands, because it's
What?
not all over. It's like barely.
You're rubbing it for me.
Bennett, help TT.
Hey, rub TT's face.
Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so gross.
Look at his face.
Oh my god. I can't. This is so nasty.
Oh my god. And on my neck.
No, your neck's fine. I'm not touching your neck. Turn your face. Okay. Do you realize how much like easier this would have been if you just used your fingers?
Hey Seth,
What's up?
can I do your nose?
What?
Just your nose.
So, she's doing this. What other big fun stuff do we have?
It's snowing again.
It is snowing. There's a lot of snow. Like my deck is full and high.
Here.
I'm gonna make a public Instagram account.
You are?
Yes.
She didn't tell me this.
You knew this.
There are so many hearts that just went up. Because she doesn't accept anybody.
I don't accept anyone on my private, but I'm going to make a public one. And I need suggestions for what to call it.
Why don't you just
Like,
call it
I'm
Living
gonna
on a
call it-
One-Way Sister?
No.
Okay, what would you call it?
I was gonna call it like Awkwardly Amber,
That's a good one.
if it's not or if
Is
it's
it
available. So I need some.
I've been waiting for that.
So I need suggestions on like names or something. Awkwardly Amber, I mean, is funny, but I don't know what it'll be. But
I'm so hot.
Don't touch it.
Seth, what time is it?
Bennett agrees
It is 10:17.
wholeheartedly with that.
Okay.
Do you think mommy should do that? Give a thumbs up. Oh, he always points his finger. Thumbs up. Give it thumbs up.
Put your fingers like that. So I have the coldest hands of all time. Seth hates it, and Amber hates it. Seth, come here. Just sit down for a second.
Look
What?
at this
No,
man.
Just your nose. Just your nose.
Oh my god.
Just
What
your
is this?
nose.
It looks so bad.
It's just your nose.
Oh.
Come on.
Sheila, just do it with your fingers.
Whoa.
Oh,
What in the
lordy,
hell?
lordy.
This is disgusting.
Oh.
Oh, it smells bad.
Just smells like clay.
Oh my god, how long is it gonna set? It looks like it's not setting on your face at all.
It's not. It takes like 20 minutes.
I don't like this.
You're doing great.
Seth, what'd you put in my smoothie? I just had like a hair in there.
A little bit of cocaine.
No, that's the pineapple.
Pineapple, cocaine.
There's pineapple in my smoothie?
Yeah, why
Yeah.
not?
Why wouldn't I put it in there?
I don't know.
There we go. Now Seth's ready too.
Let me see. This is ridiculous.
What a trooper.
Let's see.
This is
Okay,
gross.
so a public Instagram.
Yes, I'll be doing a public Instagram. I don't really know what I'll be putting up there. Look at you go, bud.
Oh my
But it
goodness.
should be interesting everyday stuff. Like Shayla posts embarrassing stuff about me, so I feel like this is my chance to get back at her for that type of thing.
That's why you want to start one?
Not fully, but like big positive
Baby.
to it. We got a sick baby. He's been having like over 100-degree temps and stuff, but he'll be fine. Smile for the camera. Can you smile? No.
I think for me, you should Amber Queen, and you should be animated or like. Oh, I see. I think he wants you to be animated.
Unapologetically Amber.
Get Shay to put a ask me box thing on your story for people to send what to call your public Instagram.
Oh, okay, yeah. We'll do
Good
that after.
idea.
Really
we
good
will do
idea.
that after. Is this dripping?
And then
on
once
my
we
tray?
have it, we'll post it on Shayla's so that you can find me to follow. Is it what?
Dripping on my tray.
Oh! No, but you got it on your neck. That looks like a weird mole thing.
Okay, that's fine.
Get it? No! So gross. What else?
Just upload the pants dance video. That's it.
And then
Okay.
I'll probably go through like the awkward and trying times of dating as a single mother. Because I have some fun stories.
Like what's one?
Well, one guy on, I can't remember which site it was on. We were like chatting for a while, and it was always like 2 a.m. Oh, we should hang out, come cuddle, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, could you ask me on a proper date? And he never did. And then he found out that he was the same sign as Shayla or something. And so then I was like, yeah, I don't think this is going to work. And he's like, well, this is kind of awkward, but do you think I could get your sister's number
And
What?
you never gave it
and
to me?
ask her for coffee?
When was this?
Seth, it's not a big deal. I didn't do it. And take her out to coffee. And I was like, first of all, MFer, you never asked me to coffee, or else we probably would have gone. And he's like, yes, I did. So I went through our entire chat thread to
Amber's
prove to him
so
that he
petty
didn't.
like that.
Well, that's so dumb. And then I was like, no, she's has a boyfriend, and you're a douche. So
She's spoken for.
yeah.
Okay,
That was only
people.
one of them. And then, so then at work the other day, we're sitting there at lunch.
This is
and
burning
there's-
a little bit.
Is it? You got a big clump on your eyebrow.
Lauren Bernier said that she's allergic to this, and so to tell people not to put it in there. So I should have told you that.
Oh, so just water instead of that?
Or just less of it, yeah. It's
Okay.
like kind of burning kind of a lot. Okay. So at work the other day,
Oh, we were sitting at lunch and like these two older guys that are now married and whatever were like,
unapologetic Amber.
that's what I said.
That's a great name. No, you said awkward.
Yo,
No,
this
I
stuff
said-
hurts.
Yeah, mine hurts too.
Okay,
Can I finish my story?
Just wash it off.
Yeah, you can just wash it off.
Can I finish
Yeah,
my
yeah.
story? Okay.
Sorry.
So they said that they were dating around the time, or like in their age, okay, my age, they were like single and like looking. They're like, and I can tell you what, single moms were not on my list of people to look for. Ha ha ha. Right? Just so aggressive about it. And I'm like sitting there like, okay, they know that's what I am. That's why they're saying it. So then I was like, only halfway through my meal. So I'm sitting there eating like my ground turkey. I was like, okay. Like trying not to be awkward. And then one of them saw that I was being super awkward and whatever. And he's like, but I mean, I'm sure some guys are looking for that to like try and redeem that. They were like, oh my God, no way would I date a single mom when I was your age. I was like, okay.
Yeah.
So that's how single mom dating is going for me.
But that's why I feel like online dating works, is because you can.
yeah,
People
the
know
that
that
talk to
you're.
me know that
yeah,
I
it's not like you're at a bar and you have to be like, oh, actually, I have a kid. We call it the baby bomb. I have to drop.
But I would way
boyfriend
rather
bombs.
meet people in person. Because Because I know within like 5 minutes if I'm going to get along with you if you do something that annoys me.
I know. Amber, like, can't handle it. She's like, he's really nice, but he says his ushers like this. And that's it. That she can't do it.
Then it's done.
So.
But there could be another guy that says his S is like that I do like because of other things. I don't know. I'm difficult. No, mommy's got it.
We can be single parents together.
Who's that?
Miss Courtney.
Oh.
Baby. Oh, baby's over this.
Come here, baby.
So someone said to leave this on even though it's burning. Because it's going to do
My
its work.
legs just gave up. What do you need? What do you need?
Online dating. Gotta love it. I think you could tell online dating stories.
I'm probably going to make a highlight story and just screenshot stupid stuff that people say and put it on there.
People are going to like your stuff better than mine. Okay, let's do some questions. So let's...
Seth, thanks for stepping in for me.
Whoa.
Got you. Does it like look cleaner?
Do you want cheese?
You should have left it on longer.
Do you
Well,
want to
it
watch
was irritating my
Mine's
nose, so
irritating. Mine as well.
You should wash that stuff off your face.
No, they said wait 15 minutes. eHarmony so far, no look.
I'm
but
going to do
still
that
trying
when
to find a
we're
girlfriend.
done. I want to do it.
Farmersonly.com.
FarmersOnly.com.
These country folk just don't
I
understand.
don't know how well. I'd like to try Christian Mingle, but I don't know
You
if I
probably
fit in.
have the best replies.
What? No, Christian Mingle are looking for... Okay.
It was a joke, Jake.
Do you know what else we're gonna... Okay.
Extra
Oh,
trial.
here's something that... So how's the academy going, Seth?
Dude, I don't know who's asking this, but who's asking this? It's awesome, but I have so many reports to do. I have 3 reports to do that are all due on the same
How long
day.
does it take
Guess
you to
who
do a
helps
report?
them?
Different things.
Guess who helps
She
them?
helps. I got an A on my last report because she helped me out. So it's good. I like it, and I can't wait to be done. But I'm enjoying the journey.
The other thing that...
Okay.
The other thing that we're gonna do on Sundays is try out all these things. So I'm contacting different companies to see if we can do like giveaways and see if we can just try out all this stuff on the lives.
So I have IPL treatments coming up. If anyone knows what that is,
No idea.
it's something laser. The L stands for laser. That's all I know. But it's supposed to help with like scars and like different uneven age and sunspots and stuff. I'm really excited because I've been having issues with my skin lately. The other one I want to do is that like
It vacuums
machine
out
that
your pores.
vacuums out your pores and then you
Yeah.
see it in the little jar, all the stuff that they sucked out.
Gross.
Someone asked how our room's coming together. Seth, can I give a room tour?
So if anyone knows anyone that does that vacuum sucky thing, reference for it, we want that because I want to do it really bad.
Amber, come with me. All right. Wow, this is really... I'm not even getting some parts of my face. Are you coming? So Amber's is upstairs and we're downstairs. Can I turn this thing around? I sure can. Here we go. This is our room. We've got this cute bed. I put up some cute photos. Cole Salon and Savage ask for Hunter. She's the best. More cute photos. And then you guys, I bought, will you just
Let me do it.
Oh, okay. I bought this desk. It's an ergonomic desk per Amber's recommendation, and it's got this up and down feature. Down. So slow you might not even notice.
So you can sit.
And then go back up. Oh, that booty, though. Stop. What are you doing?
Show everyone how to do squats.
Okay.
And then you can stand.
Okay.
And do your work. Because if you get tired, you get sick of sitting.
Thank you so much. All right, I think we should sign off. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us this morning.
Your hair in my eyeball.
Send us recommendations for products to try out. And we will see you all next Sunday we're doing pants. We're dyeing pants. So
There
Amber
might be a pants dance. I don't know.
So Amber has a pair of black jeans that have faded so much, and there is dye that you can buy to dye them black. So
To bring them back to their natural state.
Yeah,
so
we're
we're gonna
gonna-
see how it goes.
we're gonna show you that. So come back next Sunday to see the pants dye. It sounds real boring, but I promise it won't be. All right, bye guys. See you next Sunday. End.